Welcome to Brain Vision.
Okay, problem 62. So I notice that from like a diagonal view, it looks like this. This is the force, but the XY component of the force is 7 kilonewtons. That would be F sub Z, and the angle is 30 degrees. So the cosine of 30 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So F is going to be 7 over cosine 30. So let me get that. I'm using a graphing calculator here. 7 over cosine 30 is 8.08 kilonewtons. Now, we need to get the direction angles. That's not going to be as easy, but the first thing that I notice is looking from above. Looks like this: X, Y, 7 kilonewtons, 40 degrees. That's what it looks like from above. And we can envision a triangle here. And so the force in the X direction is 7 times the cosine 40. And the force in the Y direction is 7 sine 40. The force in the Z direction we can see from above is, well, let me think about this. Tangent of 30 equals F sub Z over 7. So F sub Z would be 7 tan 30. So it's also, F sub X is also F cosine alpha, F cosine beta, although it's not quite that simple on Y. Actually be more like 180 minus beta, but I can do that at the end. And F cosine gamma. So from the first equation, I can get alpha equals the inverse cosine of 7 over F cosine 40. Beta equals inverse cosine of 7 over F sine 40. And gamma is the inverse cosine of 7 over F tangent 30. So I can put all of these into the calculator, understanding that F is 8.08. So cosine -1 of 7 over F cosine 40. 40. That gives me 48.4 degrees. Now we'll put in the sine. Sine 40, that gives me 56.2 degrees. And 7 over f tan 30. 60 degrees. Now, this one is not correct because if you look at the angle, we're really looking for 180 minus that. And I'm going to try to draw it here. Y, X, Z. Okay, the angle for beta is this angle, not this angle. And so we really figured out 180 minus beta. And so beta really is 180 minus 56.2. $123.8 degrees. So let me check the answers here. This is 62. Yes, those answers are all correct.